Happy New Year, everyone. Goodbye 2024 and welcome 2025. Good morning, everyone. We are now on January 1st, 2025. You are watching Wilhelmina live on YouTube and also on my Facebook platform. Our selling price of gold, regardless of the world market price, our selling price less 8% tax included. Now you're gonna ask, what is the position of Wilhelmina? Wilhelmina is your business facilitator. At the same time, she is a seller, marketing consultant, and mandate extension of the seller. I'm based in Brisbane, Queensland, Australia. I'm the one will interview you when you do the searching of gold via YouTube or via platform on Facebook. We are now on digital. We no longer keep sending FCO or procedure. You need to read, you need to subscribe, and click below, give me a thumb whether you understand or not. Now, gold is not for credit. Gold is not for CIF, cost insurance and freight. Gold is not for block fund or bank guarantee. The bank will guarantee you to lend you money, but we don't guarantee you. Gold is money you are buying from us worth $1 million. So therefore, when you come and search on YouTube about gold in Africa, you are going to encounter this lady. When you search on YouTube and type gold, my face pop up into your screen, pop up into your mobile phone or on your laptop. I want you to read properly, comprehend, don't trust because this is not a rush business. This is worth $1 million worth of business. Now you're gonna say, well, Amina, I'm going to buy gold 99.99. Now that 99.99 already refined. You can buy that in the bank. Bank of London, Bank of your country, whether you are in Australia, you can buy that in the bank. Or whether you are in America, you can buy that in the bank. That is not my business. My business is we have a raw material which is Doribar, unrefined. We are not selling refined. That is the reason why Australian mining company positioning themselves in Africa. Canadian mining company is in Africa. Chinese, Russian, German, Swiss company, French company is in Africa mining gold. And then they're gonna bring it to their country in order to refine to make into different uses. So that is not my business to explain to you. You would not find any broker explaining to you like this, none whatsoever. I'm the one who brought this into the world market. I used to be on real estate. My seller hired Wilhelmina to handle sales and marketing on behalf of Conakry, on behalf of the seller in Mali and Sierra Leone. Now, you're gonna say, Wilhelmina, I wanna buy gold, no upfront fee. There is no upfront. You have to pay for it. Whether you like it or not, you have to pay for it. We don't deal ghost buyer. And you're gonna say, oh, I don't want to pay. I want to pay when the gold arrive in my destination. It wouldn't work. Before the gold leave the country of origin, you need to have an export documentation, certificate of clearance, ownership and custom clearance. It's on this video. I want you to read, digest it properly. Don't come for conference with Wilhelmina unless you comprehend. Because I'm going to reject you when you come and you're gonna say, Wilhelmina, I found you on your YouTube. My question is, did you really comprehend? Because when my seller hired me To handle them, my seller didn't explain to me like this. I was the one who compiled everything. What necessary requirement you are going to get when the gold leave the country of origin is on this video. Click below and subscribe time to time. You will see the update of my platform. Now, you haven't seen me for a while because I was waiting for New Year. Now, regardless of the price on the world market, our selling price less 8% tax included, except the shipping cost and insurance. You're gonna say, oh, Wilhelmina, too expensive. Yes, you are buying expensive item. You are not buying potato or banana. Even banana, there is a value. Gold has many uses. Gold is king. He who has the gold makes the rules. The government is making the rules. You cannot get the gold unless you pay because you would not be given a certificate of clearance that the gold is free of illegal activities. Custom clearance, ownership, asset report. There are few documentation that you need in order for you to get the gold out of the country. Now you're gonna say, oh well, Amina, I don't want to pay upfront. There is no upfront. There's none. You need to book your trip with me and I will take you whenever you want to travel. I can only determine which seller I'm going to place you when you come for interview live video call because I'm going to interrogate you. I'm going to interview you and I want to know your credential. Credential means I need to see your business registration. I need to see your importation license. I need to see your passport copy. I need to see your proof of fund that you have $1 million. Without that, I wouldn't believe it. So don't waste your time if you are just running around thinking you are a buyer. You are a small buyer, you need to have a capital. The gold will not come to your country. There is a value on it. So gold has a value called government sales tax. Now our selling price, tax included. Whatever the world market price, less 8%, use your calculator. If you don't comprehend, you come for conference. I would like to correct everyone. When you come for conference, do not say hi because my name is not hi. That is very rude and you are showing that you are a joker. Because if you are a buyer, you know how to introduce. There, Wilhelmina, I watch your video. I read the full corporate offer thoroughly. Wilhelmina, I need your assistance. How could you help me, Wilhelmina, to get gold in Africa? That is how you introduce yourself. Now, Wilhelmina is not an agency. It's not. I am your business facilitator. At the same time, I'm the seller's marketing consultant. At the same time. Now, I will give you an option. Which one you like? You want 8%, you travel alone, and I will monitor your movement. But you are a stranger on that country. So you need Wilhelmina in order for you to feel comfortable. Because I'm going to travel with you, I do charge my extra service to accompany you. And I'm going to give you a leeway. I'm going to renegotiate the price in the head office that I have validated you, that let's give the buyer maybe 10 to 12%. Because you are paying my services to cover my travel cost. From the beginning to the end, I would be with you. If there is an issue, at least I could find a backup. Now, there was an American guy. He did travel to Mali, Sierra Leone, and Ghana. Now, this American guy, his parents is from South Africa. He was born in America. So in the beginning, he's a little bit rude, and he flew to Sierra Leone. And when arrived in Sierra Leone, his seller didn't meet him, and he couldn't reach the seller, and the phone is not reachable. So when I interview him, live video call, and I told him, actually, I really don't want to help you because you are already on the ground, and I don't know your background, but I feel sorry for him. So he was offered $35,000 by this fake seller. So I told him that impossible, you will get $35,000. Impossible. That seller offer you 35,000. He is just going to trap you, which he was trapped in Sierra Leone. Now he flew to America, and I told him, I feel sorry for you that you encountered disaster. Go back to your country and read again the full corporate offer that I have given him, and think about it. I will take you to Africa with me. Mhm. And he said, how much is the price? Regardless of the price on the world market, we give you 8% tax included. Now, Mr. Buyer, when you pay the gold to the owner of the gold, your payment will reflect into cash inflow. Now, today, there's so many smuggling. They are using gold as to launder. Now, today, when you buy gold, if you are really a seller, a buyer, you need to have a certificate of anti-money laundering from your country, that your money is clean. Because when you transfer payment in Africa, you are going to be asked, why are you transferring payment in Africa? Africa is a red flag of gold laundering and money laundering. So when you buy gold from us, you need to apply in your country anti-money laundering, that your money is clean. Your money is not involved of illegal activities. There are criminals using to buy gold in Africa in order to claim their money. And Wilhelmina is very strict, very, very strict. So now I already explained it to you. Okay? Broker would not explain to you like this, none whatsoever. Everybody landed to Wilhelmina. I have rejected hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of joker broker and ghost buyer. Now those buyer watching me, if you are from Dubai, download Botim. I want to see you. I want to interview you live video call because I'm going to ask you your credential. Now, I don't need your credential until you read this full corporate offer on this video. Below, you click below and read the full corporate offer. Okay? Subscribe, read it thoroughly, then you come for conference with Wilhelmina. When you come on conference, meaning to say you are ready to do business with us. And then you're gonna ask, Wilhelmina, where is the gold? The gold is in Conakry, Mali, and Sierra Leone. I am going to determine which seller I'm going to take you after I validated you, after you convince Wilhelmina. Then you're gonna ask, oh Wilhelmina, I want to buy gold, Brings to Brings. Okay. Brings would not accept gold undocumented. You need to have an export documentation in order for Brings to ship it to you. We don't hand over the gold to Brings unless you pay the gold, unless your payment will reflect cash inflow. Cash inflow means that the seller will show to his government that he's going to export to you, and the seller will request to his government agency to get the certificate of clearance before the gold leave the country. There are few things to follow. You cannot just cut corner. Cutting corner is a very dangerous. Just like example, this American guy. I have a video conference with him and I feel sorry for him. Another guy from Paris. He flew to Bamako, Mali. And he was talking to me and we issue him the visa, and he has two visa, one for Conakry and one for Mali. He did flew to Mali because he was being offered pay taxes. Okay. So what happened? Disaster. He come back to Wilhelmina. And I told him I cannot help you because you are deceitful. You are trying to scam the seller and you are trying to scam yourself. The meaning of scam means you lied to yourself and the seller also lied to you in order to make money. You can make money if you follow the golden rules. You can make money if you put your money in the bank 3% a year interest of your money. But if you invest in gold business, every week you get the profit. In every bar, you get a profit of $6,000 or $10,000. It depends on how I'm going to assist you, on how I renegotiate the price for you. Because my head office will listen to me that I validated you. I try to squeeze my seller in order to get a good profit. But I do charge my extra services of $20,000 to travel with you. 2024, I do charge $20,000. Now, 2025, we are now first week of 2025. I will not increase my services. I will increase end of January to $25,000. In return, you will get a fair price. Which one you like? 8% or I can give you 10 to 12% or even 13%. So you at the end of the day, you are a winner. If you don't want to pay $25,000, that is fine. I'm not forcing you 8%. You travel, I will monitor your movement. If there is an issue, do not come back to Wilhelmina because I already told you that African sellers is very hard to deal with. But if I'm in Africa, the African seller will respect this woman because I bring you to the office. So the seller will say, okay, this buyer is real because the buyer's credential is really real, especially your proof of fund bank statement that you have $1,000,000. Without that, you wouldn't get gold from us. I wouldn't even entertain you. If you're gonna say, well, Amina, I wanna buy gold, bank guarantee. We don't deal bank guarantee. Gold is money. This is the guarantee you are paying. Right? You go to the bank and then you apply for the bank guarantee. So don't be a fool applying to have a bank guarantee and you're gonna be charged of 3%. I've given you more than 3% extra profit or 5% extra profit. So at the end of the day, you are a winner. Now, Mr. Buyer, I would not elaborate. Enjoy your New Year. Wilhelmina open 7 days a week. My job is to accept inquiries. My job is to screen you. My job is to reject you. My job is to say yes or no. This is my job. Everybody knows Wilhelmina. I don't want to entertain joker buyer. I called you online street joker buyer because a real buyer would not talk bullshit. Only joker buyer talk bullshit. But when buyer read, he is really paying attention. He wanted the supply for his business. Now I'm traveling end of January. I did close the 1 ton of gold. The buyer wanted to get the gold in Conakry. 1 ton. And then I have another buyer from Dubai. He's getting 20 kilos because Dubai and Conakry is just one stop. So he wanted to get the gold in Conakry. We have tons of gold, but you wouldn't get tons of gold unless Wilhelmina will say yes to my head office. Unless Wilhelmina will say to my head office that this buyer I have validated. Now, when I validated you, I'm going to send your credential to the head office. In return, you will receive the confirmation on how many kilos you want on the beginning on our conversation because I'm going to gather all your vital information. So when you say, Wilhelmina, I want 20 kilos to start, okay? Or 50 kilos to start, oh, that's fine. Then we will state that on our confirmation that we agree on the price that we discuss. And then we will send you a contract together with the contract, mining license of the seller, export license of the seller, company profile of the seller, and the mining site of the seller. You wouldn't go to the mining site. You come to the office from the hotel to the office. You wouldn't go to the mining site. You wouldn't get the gold. This is according to the buyer. He went to the site. He saw gravel. You will see gravel, but the gold was being washed by the gravel sand into dust gold. They washed the dust gold and they smelt into bar. And then the bar brought it in the city. So you as the buyer, listen carefully to this woman. Okay? This is for you. If you meet the criteria, you gain knowledge. If you don't meet the criteria, at least you are aware that gold is a very lucrative business. Gold is not for everyone. This is only for the big spender. If you don't have the money, if you're just brokering, find another job in your country. This is not for you. Now we are now on digital. Buyer knows how to search, supply gold and diamond, cashew, gas oil. My job is to promote Africa. Africa is the main source of gold and rough diamond and gas and etc. So if you are really a gold buyer, think about it. Do you have $1 million in your bank account? Or do you have $700,000 in your bank account? If you have that, I might think about it. I might consider to squeeze to fit in your needs. But which one you like? 8 and or 8% or 12%? Which one you like? You don't need to pay my extra service. I just prepare the contract and send it to you coming from the head office. You travel to Mali, you travel to Sierra Leone, you travel to Conakry. But if there is an issue, do not call Wilhelmina. Do not. Because I told you that African seller is very hard to deal with. He will reject you if you keep on bargain. There was an Indian was sent out of the office when I was in the office. He kept on bargain. So that is the reason why I'm going to interview you live video call so that on the spot I would determine whether you are really serious or not. If you're not serious, I wish you good luck. Still, you can come for conference and live video call. Then I will reject you if you don't pay attention. That is the reason why, regardless of the price of the day, our selling price lays 8%. But if you need Wilhelmina to be with you, I can renegotiate the price more than 8%. More than. But you come for conference, we will discuss it, and I will see how much I'm going to give you a leeway. Thank you very much and Happy New Year to everyone. And I hope January 2025, everybody got the supply. Once again, I am saying you guys, regardless of the price on the world market, our selling price lays 8%. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant Happy New Year to everyone. See you tomorrow. I work 7 days a week. This is my digital office. I am a workaholic because I am the call center at the same time. Wilhelmina, where are you in Australia? I'm here in Brisbane. There is no gold in Brisbane. There was a guy from Sydney. I don't want to mention his name. He wanted to see me. I said, yeah, you can come to see me. But there is no gold here. Gold is in Africa. But this guy, he live in Sydney. He's African and he become Australian citizen. And I told him, you can come, we can have a cup of coffee. But it's still the same. You just read the full corporate offer and I want to see you live video call. He refused to open his camera. So therefore, this guy is a ghost buyer. Mhm. Why are you refusing to open your camera? To me, I'm not. I'm not refusing. My face are everywhere. You search on my platform on Facebook. My face are everywhere. My video on YouTubes are everywhere. This is for you, Mr. Baya. Information worth $1 million. According to one of my friend from Germany, he said, no, Wilhelmina, the information you have given is really superb. It's not $1 million, it's worth $1 billion. Can you imagine that? So you are lucky that you meet this lady. This lady is really very tough. I used to be in real estate. You must remember, I can detect whether you are bullshit or not. I can detect. I don't buy bullshitting. I was the one who introduced this because I want to correct the crooked of the buyer's mentality, and also I am helping the seller. You are ripping off Africa. You're asking too much discount. You fair is fair, you will get the profit. So I told my seller, this foreigner, I am a foreigner. I'm Australian. I told my seller, this foreigner come to your country. They are ripping you off. They're asking below the belt. And I told my seller, don't believe on buyer. If the buyer cannot show his proof of fund that he has $1 million, to me, he's not a buyer. So now my seller learned from me. So those joker broker, I said, oh, Wilhelmina is a broker. If I am broker, I'm going to chase you. I am not chasing you. I am telling the world that we are here to do business in a proper way. I'm not going to chase you. You are going to chase me because we are in control. My seller produced gold. My seller produced diamond. So you are going to search the supply, and when you search on YouTube and Facebook, my face landed into your phone. Believe me, whether you like it or not, you wouldn't meet the criteria. That is the reason why I'm very frank and straightforward. Watch this video, subscribe and click below. Give me a comment whether you learn or not. If you don't learn, to me, you are just a time waster. I call you online joker buyer, or I call you online joker broker. Thank you very much and Happy New Year. God bless you, and I shall see you anytime.